Hello everyone, this is Cassie. To meet diverse security size requirement, we developed the MA250 series. It offers flexible cabinet size with 250mm or 500mm height and 500mm, 715mm or 1000mm wide. These different cabinet sizes can be mixed and matched, providing flexibility for your display wall. Featuring a standard 215x250mm module, the MA250 series covers indoor peak pitches from P1.25 to P3.91. The aluminum cabinets are lightweight, slim, supports full front surface. This series also offers a double-sided option. The single-sided cabinet is only 13.3mm thick, and the double-sided version is 15.3mm thick. With a net weight of 23 kg per square meter, 7 space, and reduced installation bundle effectively. Meanwhile, to ensure easy installation, smooth signal transmission, and convenient maintenance, the MA250 series adopts a hard connection design, delivering steady performance and long-term durability. This series supports multiple installation methods, including wall mounting and hanging, adapting to various indoor scenarios such as commission display, conferences, and exhibitions. That's all. If you are interested in it, please don't hesitate to contact us.